Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to another Magic the Gathering opening. This time around, we have a pre-release kit for the Streets of New Capenna. Capenna, maybe? I don't know, I feel I'm mispronouncing that name 100 times over saying it. I happen to pick up the Riveteers, at least as what I think it's called. And without further ado, I'm gonna crack right into it in hopes of pulling something cool. Now I know nothing about this set other than the fact that you get, or it's themed after kind of like a mafia theme where it's a bunch of different crime bosses. And yeah, that's pretty much all I know. So here's the D20. It's pretty nice. A bit smaller than the one I got from a Neon Dynasty bundle, which I'll probably show off later because not the D20, but I got something pretty unique in that. Open up this first. We got Masked Bandits, Riveteers Overlook, Tramway Station, Crooked Custodian, Jewel Thief, Gilded Pinions, High-Rise Sawjack, Jackhammer, Plasma Jockey, Deal Gone Bad, Tavern Swindler, Pugnacious Pugilist, Riveteers Charm. I keep spoiling that. Workshop War Chief. Oh, that is really cool. Zeatora the Incinerator. Demon Dragon. He's got the cool 2020 stamp on it. And a treasure token. That is really cool. I know somebody who's going to really like this, I think. Okay. Now, let's see what we got here. I'm guessing this is just a divider. That's it there. Okay, so we got 5 draft boosters. I wanted to get my hands on some double masters, but it doesn't seem like that's going to be the case today. Anyways, let's see what we got. Skip straight to the uncommons. Try not to spoil too much because I'm terrible at that. Hypnotic Grifter, sorry. Refuse to Yield. Obscura Charm. That's pretty cool. I like the border. Devilish Valet. And a Cutthroat Contender. And a nice Forest. One of the reasons I got into Magic was because of the art, or the lands, sorry. And forgive me if you can hear my niece in the background. Shouldn't be too loud. I'll try my best to skip just straight to the uncommons. Torch Breath. Out of the way. Nimble Larcenist. Ooh, that's pretty. Jetmir's Garden. And a unique type of land. Swamp. Interesting. Where's this? This must be a bunch of tokens. Or, no, okay, they're +1/+1 counters. I actually kind of need those. I am building a spider deck. Sizzling Soloist. Psychic Pickpocket, Scuttling Butler, Arcane Bombardment. and a mountain. Interesting. What is the list? Citizen token. That's cool. Okay. Cement shoes. It's kind of funny. Tainted indulgence. Riveteers decoy. And depopulate. Rare. And an island. That's pretty cool. To be fair, I think all lands are cool. I'm weird like that. Currently working on getting a new job, so as soon as that happens, you can bet your butt I'll be opening up a lot more packs. Maestro's Charm. Gotta stop doing that. An offer you can't refuse. Interesting. Riveteers Requisitioner. Riveteers Ascendancy. And Xander's Lounge. That is cool. And an island. That's really nice. So, if you stuck around this far, please consider leaving a like, subbing, commenting, all that other stuff. And I shall see you all very soon. Bye-bye.